Hi, my name is Keith DeVito. I am the New York City Territory Rep for Garland, and we're at the NYU Skirball Green Roof. So Garland has been providing roof systems for NYU for about a decade now, and they reached out to us. This roof was aged, was out of warranty, was starting to fail. They were experiencing some leaks. So they reached out, asked us to come in and design a long-term solution for them, and as well as with the sustainability of a green roof or a blue roof. So when designing this system, we had a couple of things in mind. It was low odor and sustainability. So we came up with a two-ply modified system in a no-odor cold adhesive down on the concrete deck, and then we put a paver system on pedestals around the perimeter and a green roof in the middle. You see here right now we have just the soil, but over the next month or so you're going to start to see this germinate and you're going to have vegetation over the top of this. What that does is, one, it protects the membrane. Two, it's sustainability. This is going to keep the roof system a lot cooler. And third, it's aesthetically pleasing, where patients in the hospital, they can look out the window and they can see green roof, not just a roof system or concrete or asphalt, whatever it may be. So the trends really are going this way, not just here, but across the country. This is going to keep the roof system a lot cooler. It's going to keep the interior a lot cooler. You're not going to be running your HVAC as long or as hard. Also, we have something called urban island effect, which, in bigger, dense cities like this, you have a lot of hard surfaces, right? You have your asphalt, you have your concretes, and what that does is that absorbs your sun. It's going to heat up the air temperature about 7 degrees more than the suburban areas around it. So what this does is it'll keep it a little bit cooler. Again, not running your HVAC as long or as hard, lowering your carbon footprint.